all flights in and out of Tulsa International at this time. Flight in and out of Tulsa International is suspended until further notice or until the storm clears. But again, out to the west right now, all we were able to see out there is some power flashes, Travis, as well as the refinery burning off that methane. So we'll keep you up to date, and we're going to continue to follow this out to the east, northeast as it makes its way through Tulsa on the east side here. Travis?
Okay, and that's what I need to know. Thank you so much. And that west, keep an eye on this west one because this is coming further to the south. This is diving southeast, and I'm afraid that this could be our next problem area for central Tulsa. So this again has very frustrating for anybody who just doesn't want to start the spring season so bad. Also, one thing that I want to mention to everyone: we are on iHeartRadio, which is 92.1 The Beat right now, live broadcasting at this moment, 106.1 The Twister. And also, we continue to cover with CW 1219, which is also, as we continue to watch this storm progress across the city of Tulsa, winds still estimated to be around 80 to 90 miles per hour. And, of course, the big one as well, KMOD 97.5 FM. So, again, you have multiple locations, 97.5 FM, 92.1 The Beat, 106.1 The Twister are a couple of locations, as well as their sports radio. And so we're talking about conditions that are favorable, again, for additional severe weather in further south. We have a tornado warning that extends all the way down to around the Jinx area. This is for the tornado warning. We've had 3 of them issued. And one of the ones that has been issued is for northeastern Creek, southwestern Mays County. That is for the storm that's coming out of the airport. And that is continuing to move to the east. That was until 6:30. We also have a one that is located just on the south and west side of downtown Tulsa. That is a tornado warning that has been in effect and should be canceled to the north and west side of Tulsa because that has already occurred. We've had a tornado on the ground on the Keystone Expressway west of Tulsa, extending back up to Lake Keystone. Damage reports at 46 at Charles Page and buildings destroyed there, 46 and Charles Page. Roofs off the buildings downtown. Our Channel 6 signal has been damaged as well, and you can see what's going on in the areas around Tulsa.
Travis, I think Volta.
Go, Fulta.
Right.
Or go, Vaughn.
No, Volta.
Fulta. Go, Fulta.
Travis, I can't tell exactly, but it did look like a brief tornado. I am turning around to get a better vantage point. There's another person hollering on the line. They may have something more significant, Travis.
Vaughn, you have something?
Yes.
Go.
I'm at the just getting off of the 169 onto the BA, looking back to the west, and there are a lot of low-hanging clouds coming in with this area of circulation. I don't see anything on the ground with this stuff to the south right now, but there are a lot of scary-looking low-hanging clouds, and I'll keep an eye on it as it comes through this south part of Tulsa.
Okay, Break, go ahead.
Travis, this is Darren. 129 East Avenue and 244 to my north. As we approach the casino, there are multiple power flashes to my north a long time. As we advance east towards the casino, multiple power flashes are occurring.
All right. If you're near the casino right now, you need to be taking cover. Get inside, lowest floors. If you're any place, get inside, lowest floor, away from outside windows and walls. Stay as calm as you can, but this is a big deal. Go ahead.
Travis, okay, power flashes and all the power just went out. I'm at 145th East Avenue and 51st. Power flashes just to my west, and the electricity, when the power flash went off, it just took all the electricity out over here in this area.
Okay, so we have a couple of areas right now for anyone that's watching. We have areas on the east side of Tulsa near Catoosa where we just had power flashes heading toward the casino and Hard Rock in that area on 412 with winds estimated at probably over 60 miles per hour very easily, could be up to near 90. Also the downtown Tulsa area and hail occurring now from around Owasso to Turley back into the Tulsa area. We have also a circulation feature that has been going on the west-southwest side of Tulsa we're keeping an eye on, and hopefully that won't develop into anything else. Tornado warning, though, continues for areas, in fact...
Break, Travis.
Go.
Break.
Go.
At 161st East Avenue, right just to the west of the stockyards, a large funnel has procured from the base. Large funnel that would explain the multiple power flashes is moving east towards the casino.
All right. If you're
Travis, I see it too from my vantage point.
Do you? All right. Do we have Sky News 6 up? Will, you there?
Evacuate the casino.
Travis, I'm with you. We're watching the lowering here as we come up towards the casino. Right now, the leading edge of that rain curtain is right around the stockyards. And you can start to see this storm, again, redevelop again, gaining a little bit more life as we move out to the east. And you can see that lowering on the left center of your screen right there. I'll have Paul zoom in a little bit. Now, we are seeing some more, as this leading edge is starting to lower a little bit more, we can start to see bands in there of counterclockwise rotation starting to develop as this storm begins to pick up again in its life cycle out here. So we're going to continue to keep you up to date, but you can see a little formation. As you can see that lowering right there, in and out. Not quite defined yet, but it wants to. We're going to continue to keep an eye on that with our camera. Travis?
All right. Thanks on that. And do we have go?
Travis,
Go.
I think we may have a rain-wrapped tornado up there in that area that Darren's talking about. It is so hard to see, but you can see a rotation coming around the backside. There may be a rain-wrapped tornado on there. No guarantee. There may be.
Okay, yeah, this is wrapped up big time right in there. And so there's a good chance that could be. And if nothing else, there's still damaging winds in those areas. Power lines are down in a fire at Admiral and Sheridan. Multiple power outages are reported in several locations. What do you have there?
Tom Bennett and Coweta.
Okay, and we also have a look down to the south. This is a look from around the Coweta area at this moment at that leading edge that's going on, that's now to near Coweta, and wind damage potential. And we also have that's the casino at Catoosa, not Coweta, Catoosa. So that's the leading edge right there near the Catoosa area as it's coming across. There's a gas stations that you see in the foreground that's right near the casino. I think he's going to turn and get a little bit better shot on that. Vaughn, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here, Travis.
Yeah, let's Vaughn, hold on. Mark, go.
Travis, I got about 65 mile an hour inflow right here at 177th and 51st, and then I've also got it's merging with the northwest wind right here at my location. So there's some good inflow being pulled back into this storm, Travis.
Okay, so this is an area that we've got to watch. Again, this is on the northeast side of downtown Tulsa, really the airport area to the east now through Catoosa. This has a potential to do tornado damage. It has a potential to do any damage or just a significant damage. Also moving through the southern Tulsa County area. Also need a Jinx camera to catch that cell coming up. You got it? Okay. And if you could, what we're going to do is we're going to take a quick look at the cell that is coming into, yeah, you can punch up there. And
if you're there,
okay,
Travis,
go. Yeah, go, Darren.
Travis, if you're there, the lowering is just passing over the top of the stockyards now. It is advancing towards the casino. There is debris in the air. One slapped my back glass of my vehicle and it's busted out. So there is heavy circulation here. Again, the lowering is just east of the stockyards, advancing towards the casino.
Okay, at this time we've got it. 15th and Harvard, we've had roofs blown off as well. Tornado is most likely rain wrapped. Yes.
Travis, Fulton, you got me?
Yes, go.
Look at that that shot. I don't know if you can make it out. There's something going on right inside there.
Yeah.
I would look at the debris coming at me, Travis.
I see the debris.
Coming at me.
We've got to have a tornado.
It's flying right at me.
Yeah.
It's coming right at me, Travis.
All right. If you're in that area, you have to get to cover right now. Again, this is right at the area which we were concerned with. This is the area which we're concerned that is going to be a possible tornado right in that, right at the casino, right at Catoosa right now. Get to a place of safety at this very minute.
Put your seatbelt on.
And so make sure you are safe. Make sure you're in a place away from outside windows and walls. Another tornado is very, very possible, rain wrapped in that at this very minute because the circulation feature is strong enough for that. Yes, go.
Have you got the video? You can see this. I can't guarantee for sure it's on the ground, but there's definitely, we might as well treat it as there is because up in the air, I'm looking up probably at a good 45-degree angle, and I have white roofing, pieces of roofing styrofoam, stuff in the air that is actually being hurled deep up in the air, not just at the surface. So look at my shot now. You can see that debris.
We can see that.
See that cloud
Split
right there?
screen.
I think we should just be safe, Travis, please, and treat this as if there is a tornado. Even though I cannot visually see it, there may be one inside there. Look at that. Look at the motion on that.
That is there.
Something going on inside there.
Yep. Hey, thanks, Mark. Hold on. Darren, you there?
Yes, Travis, I'm here.
What do you got? Same thing?
Same thing. It's still advancing towards the casino. Lots of circulation. Probably the most intense outside of the tornadoes that we've seen today. But I have a very clear shot of it. I do not see a tornado on the ground, but there is definitely a lowering there. There is debris in the air. There are power flashes. So all indication is that there is something there.
Got to go east.
Okay. All right, so we have that, and that's what's happening. Again, Storm Track Dick has put together for us at this moment is just on the east side of Catoosa, right on 412 for this damaging event, which could be a tornado. It is a tornado warning at this moment as Dick continues to analyze what's happening.